Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save money on Reebok with DealSeek. If you want to save money on Reebok with DealSeek, you can use its search filters and alerts to find verified discounts on shoes, apparel and accessories. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down dealseek.com and enter it. So once you get into this interface, in the top right corner there's this search bar. Simply type down Reebok and you need to select enter. Or you can also be specific about the product such as training shoes, running shoes, or hoodies. So over here you can filter the result in the top right here. Click onto this filter and you can use this price range in the top here. And you can also select for this minimum discount for all of the product. You can select for the coupon promo codes as well. And over here in the top you can select for this verified low price. And after that, what you need to do is you need to review the deal. Simply select any of the product here and check if a promo code is required, verify the expiration date, and read any minimum purchase or shipping requirement. And after that, you need to compare retailers. If multiple stores offer the same Reebok product, compare final price, shipping cost, or return policies. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.